Okay, I lied. It's a little crunchy. Just a little bit. The Xtreme styling gel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I'm going to be doing my natural hair and I'm using Xtreme styling gel. So this is how my hair came out. If you guys want to see the before, see how it really made my hair define, then just keep on watching. You guys hear my neighbors cutting their grass. I apologize. As soon as I started filming, that's when they came out. So we're just going to get started. Of course, I have some water here for my leave-in. I'm going to be using the Camilla Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in conditioner and then the Big Daddy for the gel. This is probably why you're here, to see how it's going to work on my hair. This is the Xtreme Professional Styling Gel. So we're going to see how this goes. And then I also have a toothbrush and a comb. So yeah, my hair is freshly washed. So yeah, I did shampoo my hair today. So let's see. So it's been 4 months since I big chopped my hair. So let's see how this goes. I got my leave-in in. So let's try the gel. So I'm going to take about that much. Let's see. Oh, it looks good, actually. I don't need a lot of it, that's the thing. Yeah, I don't need a lot of it at all. So I'm just about to finish the rest of my hair.
Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do it on your own. Now I got you drunk, hiding from the road. Show me what you want, give me what you want. I'ma make you mine, get you on the floor. Watch me go to work, I put on a show. Now I got you drunk, hiding from the road. Show me what you want, give me what you want. Don't stop looking at me, don't stop looking at me. Don't stop looking at me, don't stop looking at me. Don't stop looking at me, don't stop looking at me. Don't stop looking at me, don't stop looking at me. Don't stop looking at me.
Hey guys, so this is how my hair came out. I like it. I actually really like the gel. It doesn't have my hair super hard. I don't use eco styling gel in my hair because it makes my hair really itchy, and this step is not having my hair itchy like at all. My curls are defined. Let me do a 360 for you. So like the back of my hair is like, okay, I lied, it's a little crunchy. Just a little bit. It's a little crunchy back here. But it's not bad though. I bought these little clips. Because I think I'm going to wear my hair in like a little clip up at the top. But I don't know. We'll see how that looks. But I like it. Comment down below if you guys like my hair. It's been 4 months. But yes. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of new subscribers and I just want to say thank you. What's next? Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, add me on Snapchat. It'll be on the screen and also be linked down below in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.